Hi friends, welcome to Ideas at Home. I had recently posted a review of Pigeon air fryer. Many of you have asked me how to grill chicken in this air fryer using the menu given in the air fryer. First you have to press the on button. Now the temperature will come as 200 degrees Celsius. Now we have to choose the chicken grilling menu. The chicken grilling menu is the second symbol given on the first row. To select the chicken grilling symbol, what you have to do is you have to press the M symbol with a circle. When you press it twice, you can get the chicken menu. When you select the chicken grilling menu, automatically the temperature will come as 200 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Press the on button again and the air fryer will start working. The chicken will be air fried for 10 minutes for about 200 degrees Celsius. But actually 15 minutes is required. 10 minutes for 200 degrees Celsius is not enough. Anyway, let's see how much it's getting done in 10 minutes. Now the time is reducing and the time is over. The set time for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius is over and the light has gone off. Now I have taken it out. You can see that the chicken is almost done, but it is not fully crispy air fried chicken. Now I'm going to flip the pieces. It will be very hot, so you have to be a bit careful. I'm just flipping all the pieces one by one so that both the sides will get very crispier and air fried. Now I'm just keeping it back and pressing the on button and again the chicken menu. When you press the chicken menu, the temperature will be 200 degrees Celsius and time will be 10 minutes. But we need only 5 more minutes. So I am going to change the time from 10 minutes to 5 minutes. The menu is on the right side. Now you can see that I am changing the time here to 5 minutes and then pressing the on button. Temperature is still 200 degrees Celsius. Now I am pressing the on menu and it has started the air frying process again. The thing I would like to mention is that you can open the air fryer using this handle anytime you want. There is no pause button or anything like that. In the middle of the cooking, if you have got any doubts regarding the cooking process, you can just simply open it and check it or make the changes you want to bring in it. 5 minutes is also over. Now the whole cooking process took 15 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. Now you can see that the chicken is perfectly done. It is well cooked and it is perfectly crispy air fried chicken. Let's have a closer look. This is the cooked chicken piece. You can see it is perfectly air fried. It is also properly cooked also. Now we know the exact time required for air frying the chicken. This time I have kept the second batch of chicken pieces for air frying. Pressing the on button and choosing the, now I'm choosing the chicken menu. It is the second symbol in the first row. The automatically time comes at 10 minutes and 200 degrees Celsius. Now I'm going to increase the time to 15 minutes as we know the exact time now. So now I'm pressing the on button. So we have given the time for 15 minutes and temperature at 200 degrees Celsius. When about 7 minutes of cooking time is left out, I just flip the chicken pieces and now I am going to keep it back after flipping the pieces. The machine is air frying again for the remaining 7 minutes. "15 minutes of air frying is over. Now we are going to open the air fryer and you can see that perfectly cooked air fried homemade chicken is ready. Hope this video was useful for you. Thanks for watching.